अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन, दिस इज़ स्मिया अकबर। आज हम CS101 के फाइनल टर्म्स और पेपर से जो MCQs आए हैं उनके बारे में बात करेंगे। ये 2010 का पेपर है। उसके बाद हम ऑनवर्ड बाकी पेपर्स पे आ जाएंगे, आहिस्ता आहिस्ता आते रहेंगे। काइंडली मेरे चैनल को लाइक और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कर दीजिएगा। चलिए जी शुरू करते हैं। क्रेव 1 वाज फर्स्ट कमर्शियल डैश कंप्यूटर। ओके, मैं इनके सिर्फ आंसर्स बताऊंगी। सुपर। URL is address. Mainframe computer are also called enterprise services. Which of the following is not a category of a mobile computer? Desktop. Primarily exploration of a possible solution technology suppliers is called feasibility. Dash give us the ability to manipulate data through reference instead of actual variables. Consider the following statement written in a JavaScript. str is equal to hello plus world. What will be the value of str? Hello world. दोनों मिल प्लस टू है तो फिर ये दोनों जोड़ के लिखा जाएगा. Hello world. A tool that helps you to find the synonym is called thesaurus. Communication protocol is dash that governs the flow of information over a network set of rules. If a computer could pass the Turing test, then it would be able to think like human beings. The first web browser with a GUI was generally available in 1993. Web is unique invention by humans in terms that it is accessible to all humans. In this URL, http www.msn.com identifies that domain name is MSN, क्योंकि www जो दरमियान में आता है .com से पहले वही हमारे पास डोमेन नेम होता है. ये रूल होता है इसका MSN. Dash is simply a fast port that lets you connect computer peripherals and consumer electronics to your computer without restart. Firewire. Which of the following is not supported by PC's power supply? -10 and +10 V DC. V मतलब होता है वोल्ट और मैंने ऐसी शॉर्ट फॉर्म में कहा कि V का है. In which case cache memory is used? In which case cache memory is used to overcome speed rate between RAM and CPU. To display a single line text area on the web page, we use dash tag input tag. If an algorithm is syntactically correct but semantically incorrect, then this situation is very dangerous situation. User communicates with the computer using a consistent user interface provided by the OS. Is it true or false? It's true. Application developers do not need to know much about the HW, especially the microprocessor, while they are developing their application. It's true. The first spreadsheet program was invented by Dan Bricklin. Which representation technique of algorithm is more suitable for developer to make actual code, that is pseudocode? Dash is used to terminate all JavaScript statement is a semicolon. In JavaScript, cookies can be created for future use. Cookies are files, so JavaScript cannot handle it. When the microprocessor desires to look at a piece of data, it checks in the dash first, in a cache first. अब ये ईयर वाइज हैं, मतलब 2010 के बाद ऑनवर्ड है 2011, 12, 13. 10 ईयर्स के होंगे ये पेपर्स. ये सारे मैं आपको इंशाल्लाह MCQs बताऊंगी. इसके बाद आई होप तो आपके पेपर्स अच्छे हो जाएंगे, आपकी तैयारी काफ़ी अच्छी हो जाएगी. MCQs related. Using JavaScript can return a character at a random location on a screen. There is no built-in approach in a JavaScript. If an incorrectly we enter the negative age, it is checked by limit integrity. The encryption of a data is related to data security. Which protocol is used to transfer a file over the network? FTP protocol. One can send an email message to remote computer using dash protocol. इट्स टेलनेट होता है. ये SMTP में लगा होता, पर मैंने चेक किया तो ये टेलनेट था. इन अ सिस्टम हैविंग मैनी पार्ट्स टू बी डिज़ाइन, वन शुड ऑलवेज डू द फर्स्ट. इट्स आंसर इज हार्ड पार्ट. Flow control construct in a JavaScript include switch and if else. Dash provide a simple, consistent way for application to interact with HWO without having to know all the details of the HWO. It's a system file. Machine language is also called a binary language. Dash is the best known builder for supercomputer. Cray research. The weakness of the computer are pattern recognition and innovative ideas. Communication protocol is a dash that governs the flow of information over a network set of rules. Dash team is responsible for maintenance, expansion, improvement of the infrastructure consisting of workstation, network. Communication protocol is dash that govern the flow of information over a network set of rules. Dash team consists on the sharpest technical mind in the company. Architecture. Dash is responsible for day-to-day operation COO. One of the key responsibilities of the Dash is client relationship among relationship management is a project manager. What is the major problem with the Flash-based website? It's too heavy. Which of the following is not an event handler for image object? That is onload. The organization are learning that business can be done in more effective manner if emphasis is placed upon dash shared responsibility. It represents the dash flowchart elements start and stop. Factor why designing a website is complexity. User dash percentage of the user having left website in a frustration due to poor navigation 83%. In JavaScript, a variable declaration is optional. A protocol used for receiving email messages is called POP3, which is correct onload. Serial arrangement in which things flow logical order to a recurrent pattern such as statement executing one by one is called loop. Dash variables allow us to manipulate data through the reference. Fuzzy logic is based on dash approximation. Word processor is application software. Database did not support videos. Dash in tubular storage feed place is particular row or strongly interrelated. Due to working at home, lack of interaction may result in dash professional growth, slower professional growth. Distance learning has got a boost due to the all of the given option, yani easy communication, online interactive content flexibility. Technique can be used to create smooth animation or to display one of several images based on the requirement is image preloading. The dash is becoming the preferred organization structure for more and more organization with the passage of time. Network paradigm. The group of technologies concerned with the capturing, processing and the transmission of information in the digital electronic form is called information technology. A large number of a network interconnected physically are called LAN. TCP stand for Transmission Control Protocol. ओके ये जो स्टैंड फॉर एंड टीसीपी एब्रीवेशन ये लाजमी बुक्स में देख लीजिएगा, वरना मैं कोशिश करूँगी बना दूँगा आपके लिए एक नेक्स्ट अलग वीडियो जिसमें सिर्फ एब्रीवेशन हो. ये बहुत ज़्यादा पेपर्स में आती हैं, एमसीक्यूज में भी काफ़ी ज़्यादा आ जाती हैं. A collection of data organized in such a way that the computer can quickly search for desired data item is known as database. It's simply a fast port that lets you connect computer peripherals and consumer electronics to your computer without restart firewall. Structure in which another list starts before the first list is finished are called nested list. The key property of a array object in a JavaScript is length. I hope आपको समझ आया होगा. मेरे ये जो MCQs हैं, काइंडली मेरे चैनल को लाइक और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कर दीजिएगा. थैंक यू. अल्लाह हाफिज़. बाय बाय.